Ben, please come help. Something really bad happened.
What's going on?
He is barely breathing. I think he might die.
Who?
Bring your first aid kit. And hurry!
Where are you?
705 Oceanic Ivy.
On my way.
Ben, I'm really scared. There is so much blood.
Can you tell me what happened?
I don't know. Jake's parents were out of town, so he invited me over.
You're still dating Jake?
I don't know, kind of. We have kept it a secret.
Are you crazy? After he cheated on you!
Don't judge me right now.
I'm sorry. You're right. Tell me what happened.
When I got here, I found Jake on the ground, barely awake and covered in blood.
What? Did someone stab him?
I don't think so. I can't find a wound.
Why didn't you call the police?
I wanted to, but before he passed out, he said, "Don't call the cops. The cops will think I did it."
What? Why would he say that?
I don't know. I think the intruder told him that.
You should get out of there.
Wait, I hear someone downstairs. Are you here?
No, I'm 5 minutes away. Don't go downstairs.
Why? It sounds like someone is hurt.
What if the killer is still there?
I'm gonna go check.
Olivia, be careful. Olivia, you there?
Cantina app, I need Roastbot. Help me roast my sister who doesn't listen to a word I say.
Tell her, can you drop your damn ego and stupidity for a bit by any chance?
Can you drop your damn ego and stupidity for a bit by any chance?
No way! Call the cops! Call them now!
You have to try Roastbot on Cantina app.
What? Why?
Jake's parents aren't out of town. They are dead!
Get out of the house!
Okay, but I need to get Jake.
Leave Jake!
No, he will die. I'm going to get him.
Olivia!
Jake is gone. I can't find him.
Thought he was passed out.
He was, but he's not here anymore.
Olivia!
I hear him downstairs.
Don't go down there! Go hide right now!
Why?
I think Jake was faking it.
What?
You said he wasn't stabbed. What if all the blood on him was from his parents?
Jake killed them?
I don't know, but go hide! Olivia, go hide!
I hear him looking for me.
Where are you? I'm almost here.
In the upstairs bathroom. He's yelling for me.
What is he saying?
I didn't kill my parents. Olivia, you need to save me.
Don't leave the bathroom!
He is banging on the door.
I'm coming in. Tell him if he comes any closer, I'm going to kill him.
He stopped. Ben, that worked.
Stay in the bathroom.
Please, man, don't hurt me. I didn't kill anyone. It was someone in a mask. He came into my house. You have to believe me.
I know, Jake. It was me.
What? I don't understand.
I warned you. I said stay away from my sister.
You did this?
You cheated on my sister. I had to protect her from you.
Why would you kill my parents?
Because if I only killed you, then how would I frame you?
Was that a gunshot? What is going on?
Jake is dead.
Oh my god.
He was planning on killing you. He told me everything right before I shot him.
Jake is dead.
You are safe. That's all that matters.